actual waters from Winthrop Harbor to northerly islands, or Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until midnight. At 11:23 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles north of Little Lake Harbor, moving east at 45 knots. Winds at 34 knots for greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Little Lake Harbor. Locations impacted include Wilmette Harbor. The following